Hey everyone, today we are going to look at installing this Gevinfa mirrors doors off for Jeep Wrangler mirror kit that I bought from Amazon during Prime Day. The packaging looks pretty solid. Looks like they should fit both the Wrangler and the Gladiator. Let's take a look and see what we have in here. Have some instructions, that's always nice to have. Looks like we're going to need to pry off these caps here, undo a bolt, and then screw the hardware in. We'll take a look. Looks like we've got the provided Allen key and the 2 bolts we're going to need. Looks like the quick disconnect hardware. A phone mounting kit, which I'm probably not going to use. And some nice looking mirrors. Free replacement of mirrors if I damage them. Be interesting to see how well that works. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and get these installed and we'll test them out. Factory bolts appear to be a 10mm socket, and then we take this piece and it slides nicely up into here. You then take the included hardware and screw it right in with the Allen wrench. After snugging those in with the Allen wrench, it looks like we have one of these quick connect balls that is going to screw right in here. This may be something I don't use at all, but in there now. Looks like we're then going to take one of these mirrors. The mirror is going to slide right into here. Use the wing nut. And that, the driver's side's done. So dialing in these mirrors is actually kind of interesting. Once you have them where you want it, you can tighten these with the Allen wrench, and then there's 2 more right on top here that allow you to prevent it from tilting anymore, which would be really nice on very windy days like today. Get these tightened in. And my hope here is that once these are in, going forward I don't have to adjust these anymore when I switch my doors on and off. I'll just slide them in and they're in the position I need them to be. Alright, got them installed. There's my passenger side and my driver's side. Looking pretty good. Alright, and here's the Jeep ready to go for the next few days of nice weather. The mirrors up top should be nice. I'm used to the pair that I had previously that were hooked on the top hinge. They were all fine and dandy. They were a little low and they were a pain in the butt to take on and off without scratching the paint here. So we'll give these ones a test and see how it goes. Off for first drive with the new mirrors on. So far so good.